Cow. This is YouTube video since I know.
I am in the game.
He doesn't have his cow floaty on, unicorn floaty on anymore. More try to break out of here. Okay, get out. Good. Innocent.
I have a 1% chance of being murdered.
I had a 2% because I'm a pro. Oh, I called myself a pro. I bullied myself.
I'm just gonna follow you, Hayden.
He just waves. Oh.
No, I got killed.
Also, the murderer was Michaela from school.
Yeah.
It's so sad.
Say www, and then that's when you say the murderer.
I shall now close this door on my face. Ow, ow. I've been trapped in a cow. I've been trapped in a truck. I know a lot about trucks. Ding, 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 dong. Oh, never mind. Did you hear what I said?
No.
I said ding, 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 dong. China.
Bing, bing, bang, bong. Bing, 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 bang. Bing, 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 bong. Just saying.
I just thought that you killed Flynn. That she killed you. This guy went to standing up school. All these people failed.
I'm really bad at this game. I die in the first 3 seconds.
I'm gonna go shut myself in a truck. I did go in the truck. I shall shoot the truck button. Should I?
I don't even know.
I shot a truck.
It's just you and her.
And to shoot truck buttons.
She's gonna chuck it at you.
It won't come out.
That's just true.
Next second you just hear a splat. A big splat land on my mic. It slipped. When Jeffy carries a plate. No, when he's getting milk for Chef Pee-Pee. he throws the milk at him and he says, it slipped.
Oops, it slipped. There's one that says 4, and there's one that says something else. I don't remember.
I don't remember what I am. Oh, you're sheriff? You're the popo.
Tell me if you find anybody that's murderer.
He walks towards me. It's the girl with the orange beanie. She killed me.
Yes.
Well, I'm gonna do this video for 2 more minutes, then I'm gonna end it.
That's real epic.
My video is gonna be average of 7 minutes. Also, tomorrow I'm gonna be doing the stop motion.
I'll probably be doing one on my channel as well.
Bro.
I farted. Epic.
Yes, very epic. You did an epic fart.
You want to hear it again?
No! I didn't even hear it. Halfling gets rejected. You say you didn't hear his fart.
I'm innocent.
No, I'll do this video for 8 minutes. So 2 more minutes. I'm innocent, by the way.
Why don't just go for the rest of this round?
No, I'm doing it for 8 minutes. I didn't murder anything today. He's in a dragon floaty! Scary. Guy walks out from up the stairs. Hayden lags. Him walks away. Hayden. I saw him again at me, runs into the vents. He's still got a dragon floating in acid. How does he still exist?
I am happy.
There's a clone? Evacuate the facility immediately. There's a clone. This person didn't go to Hold Your Stuff school. Mark's video will only go for like 30 more seconds, so after a few technical issues, the video's going. If the video just stops, it means it ends.